Every moment you live happens only once, and once it passes, it never returns. This is the powerful idea behind the book Ichigo Ichie. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Rapid Reads Club. Today we are going to explore the key idea of the book Ichigo Ichie by Hector Garcia and Frances Miralles. This book presents a simple but powerful Japanese philosophy: one time, one meeting. It teaches us how to live a more mindful, peaceful, and meaningful life. The book is written by Hector Garcia and Frances Miralles. Both authors are known for writing about Japanese philosophy and personal development. Hector Garcia lived in Japan for many years, which influenced his understanding of Japanese culture. They also wrote the famous book Ikigai, which focuses on finding purpose in life. The first key idea of the book is to live in the present. The first key idea is to live fully in the present moment. Most people spend their time thinking about the past or worrying about their future. Because of this, they miss the present. The book teaches that the present moment is the only time we truly experience life. When you focus completely on what you are doing, your experience becomes deeper and more meaningful. Whether you are studying, teaching, or having a conversation, fully attention improves both performance and satisfaction. The second key idea is every encounter is unique. The second idea is that every encounter is unique. Even you meet the same person again, the moment will never be exactly the same. Time, emotions, and situations change constantly. Therefore, each meeting should be treated with respect and awareness. This idea helps to build stronger relationships and value people more deeply. The third idea is to slow down your life. Modern life is fast and stressful. People are always in hurry, which leads to anxiety and dissatisfaction. The book suggests slowing down to experience life more deeply. When you slow down, you begin to notice small details and enjoy simple things. Slowing down doesn't mean wasting time. It means living with awareness and intention. The fourth key idea is to reduce distractions. Technology, especially smartphones, often takes our attention away from real life. When you are constantly distracted, you cannot fully experience the present moment. The authors recommend limiting unnecessary screen time and focusing more on real world interactions. This improves both your concentration and also your relationships. The fifth key idea is to create meaningful moments. This means life is not only about big achievements. It is made up of small everyday experiences. By being mindful and attentive, you can turn ordinary moments into meaningful ones. Simple activities like a conversation, a walk, or a quiet moment can become valuable when experienced fully. The sixth key idea is to accept impermanence. Everything in life is temporary, both happiness and difficulties. Understanding this helps us to appreciate good moments and remain strong during difficult times. This acceptance brings emotional balance and inner peace. Ichigo Ichie is a highly valuable in today's busy world. It teaches mindfulness, reduces stress, and helps to improve relationships. It encourages a simple and meaningful way of living by focusing on the present moment. The main message of the book is very simple. Every moment is unique and will never come again. So live it fully, pay attention, and make it meaningful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Rapid Reads Club. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.